It's no secret that proactive communication is crucial for all veterinary practices. Let's have a look at how we can use ezyVet to automate communications and streamline daily tasks. Automated communications will help reduce no-show rates, keep your clients engaged, improve client compliance, and increase efficiencies within your team. Let's go check it out. To get started, let's talk about how automated communications are created. Head over to the Automated Task feature within the Admin tab. In this example, we're going to dive into a communication task that's already configured. This one is for vaccine reminders. The task is set to run automatically by ezyVet. It's running the task outside of business hours at 2 a.m. This is when the list is generated by ezyVet but won't be sent to the client until your pre-configured communication hours. Lastly, the task is set to run every day. Next up is the send method. We've got ours configured to send both an SMS and an email reminder immediately. We know that SMS has a high open rate of 98%, with email sitting at 20%. So having both creates maximum opportunity of reaching the client. To make it even simpler, we're using a pre-configured template so all communications are consistent. The last area to configure is the communication section. This lets ezyVet know what it's communicating for and when the task is triggered. This task is tied to vaccine SOCs and is scheduled to communicate to customers 7 to 14 days before their upcoming vaccination is due. We have also set this to exclude any customers with a vaccine appointment already scheduled, meaning no double handling, and we are only communicating to the customers that are yet to book in. And that's all there is to it. Simply save changes and let ezyVet do the hard work for you. Improving client compliance is just one benefit. Think of all the ways that you could automate communication in your practice, from appointment reminders and patient birthday messages to post-operative check-ins. So what are you waiting for? Time to get creative and think of all the ways that you can streamline communication in your practice. To set up automated communications, head to the Help tab and simply search Automated Communications.